Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we are going to continue with the third exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Now the next number is root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. So इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा root 3 minus root 2. I'll put these in brackets. So I'll multiply numerator and denominator both by root 3 minus root 2. Now this is again same brackets मिल रहा है मुझे. So it is going to be root 3 minus root 2 the whole square, and in denominator root 3 square minus root 2 square. I'll expand this. It is of the form a minus b the whole square. So root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 the root 2 square हो जाएगा, and over here in denominator I'll get 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 1 हो जाएगा, and here in the numerator 3 minus 2 root 6, because root square root of 3 and square root of 2 है, so I'll take common square root and I'll multiply 3 and 2. Over here I'll get 2. Now 3 plus 2 हो जाएगा 5 minus 2 root 6. Denominator में 1 है, so I avoid writing 1. Now the next number is root 6 minus root 5 upon root 6 plus root 5. तो इसका rationalizing factor है root 6 minus root 5. So we'll put these in brackets first and multiply both numerator and denominator by root 6 minus root 5. Over here again both the brackets are same, so when you multiply both the brackets, so it becomes square, and over here root 6 square minus root 5 square. I'll expand this. It is of the form a minus b the whole square, so it becomes root 6 square minus 2 into root 6 into root 5 plus root 5 square. Over here 6 minus 5, again I'll get 1. This is going to be 6 minus 2 root 30. Okay, common root ले लिया and 6 into 5 gives 30 plus 5. Now 6 plus 5 gives 11 minus 2 root 30. So this is the final answer. Now the last number is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. The rationalizing factor is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Please put brackets in such sums जहाँ पे you have more than 2 numbers. Okay, compound surds है यहाँ पे. So compound surds के केस में please put brackets. Sorry, this is going to be plus. Now again the brackets are same. When I multiply both the brackets, I'm going to get square of the bracket. Okay. Now over here again it is of the form a square minus b square. So 2 root 5 square minus 3 root 2 square. So I'll expand this. This is going to be 2 root 5. I'll expand it over here only. यहाँ पे I'll do the working. So it is 2 root 5 the whole square plus 2 into 2 root 5 into 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 square. It is of the form a plus b the whole square. तो एक्सपेंशन करने पे a square plus 2ab plus b square हो जाएगा. And in denominator I have a square minus b square. 2 का square will give 4. Root 5 का square will give 5 minus 3 का square will give 9 and root 2 का square will give 2. Now again over here I'll square 2 तो 4 हो जाएगा and root 5 का square will give 5. Put these in brackets and over here रूट के बाहर जो भी नंबर्स है दैट इज रैशनल नंबर्स उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 दैट इज 12 एंड रूट स्क्वायर रूट है दोनों. सो आई कैन टेक कॉमन स्क्वायर रूट एंड 5 इंटू 2 गिव्स 10. नाउ नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट it is 3 square that is 9 and root 2 square that is 2. 4 5s are gives 20 minus 9 2s are 18. Over here 5 4s are 20 again and 12 root 10 plus 18. I get 2 in the denominator. Now 20 plus 18 gives 38 plus 12 root 10 upon 2. Now all these are multiples of 2, तो मैं 2 कॉमन निकाल सकती हूँ. So I'll take 2 common. So I get 19 plus 6 root 10 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. So the final answer is 19 plus 6 root 10.